Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from DBmaestro. My name is Praveen and today I'm going to show you how to create a project in DBmaestro's new source control application. So without any ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you do is click on the source control icon present in the desktop. So once you click on it, it's going to open up the login details page. The first field that you fill out in this page is the git remote field, where you need to provide the link to the Git repository where you want to store all the source control application configuration files. So the files would have details like the user informations, the database informations, the project informations, and etc. So once you provide the link, you provide the branch name. So for me, I'm using the main. The next thing you provide is the username. And the password used here is not the GitHub password, but the personal access token that you create there. So you click on test. Once it succeeds, you click on connect and you will be logged in to the source control application. Now let's go ahead and create a shared project. Click on the drop down link to your top. This will open up the project page. Click on add new project and enter the project name that you want. So you can create a shared project where all the users will be sharing a single database, or you can create a sandbox project where all the users will have an individual database for them. Once the project is created, it will prompt you to add a new database to the project. The first field that you enter is alias name. To put it in a simple words, alias name is a logical name that you provide while adding databases to the project. For example, in a sandbox project, each user will have their own database. Let's say there are two users and each user has their own sandbox database. Example QA user 1 and QA user 2. Hence logically both are QA environments with a different database name. So in this scenario I would choose the alias name as QA since it would add more structure to the project that I'm creating. In case of a shared project, since there is only one database involved, you can use the database name as alias name, or you can use a name that is preferred to you. So the next thing you need to provide is a git remote link for your database repository. So this database would store the scripts that is being pushed or commit. So I copy the link, I provide it here. You need to provide the branch name. In my case, it's main. Since my use my credentials checkbox is checked in, I do not have to type the credentials again. In the sandbox details section, you need to fill out all the information for your database that you need to connect. So you can choose either Windows authentication or SQL authentication. In my case, I'm using SQL authentication, and I provide the database name as QA source. I test it, the connection looks good, and I add the database. So now the project is created and database is added to the project. If you would like to see a demo for our source control tool or the CI/CD tool for databases, feel free to contact us. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much.